All right, a shuttle bus update is way overdue, so here's an update on the bus. I think the last video I did, we were just finishing up the electrical wiring and all of the insulation was still showing, so it looked like, aluminum foil all on the inside. So a lot has been done, as you can tell. One big thing that I was super excited about was the cedar planking on the ceiling and the sidewalls. That looks awesome. I've been excited for a while because I just really like that look and I just wanted to get things closed up because it had been taking so long. So we got all of that up. That was quite a process. Put a light stain on the cedar planking, framed around the windows. Chandler created 3 different cabinets. One cabinet in front of where the driver is, there's one over where the headboard is, and then there's one in the kitchen. So a ton of storage. We got the couch started back here. We're repurposing one of the bench seats from the bus. The walls, from the windows down, just covered up those walls with plywood because eventually kitchen cabinets, the bed, everything else is going to be covering that. So just wanted to cover it so it wasn't the insulation. And then the small little wall that will be showing is painted white. I also made a headboard. That was a fun project. Thank goodness for YouTube. I learned how to kind of upholster. So we have the headboard up there floating, waiting for the bed to go underneath it. That's coming up on the list. My dad and I got the air conditioner up. That seems like that's been forever, because it was, because I haven't done an update in forever. My dad put a hole in the back of the bus and we installed a window air conditioner unit. I did a ton of research and it seems like that's going to be the most efficient and the most reliable as far as cool air, keeping the dogs cool, keeping us cool. So air conditioner is in. We're doing a diesel heater. We need to get that hooked up still. I was pretty proud. I did the whole back wall by myself. So that was a lot of very specific cuts. Because the bus is not square, everything is round, it makes it very challenging. Because everything was not fit exact, I ended up putting trim, but I kind of like the feel. So the back wall is covered. Everything in general, walls and ceiling is covered at this point, which is super exciting. Chandler and I have been working on the kitchen cabinet or kitchen countertop area. I'm so excited about that because I love to cook so much. So that's something that I'm just super excited about. But it has been so cold. We've just been working on it in the garage every so often, really not putting a ton of time into it, but bit by bit we're making progress. I'm excited because there's a secret little can cubby to put cans. There's literally exactly what I wanted. Chandler created and I helped. So it was a lot of very exact specific measurements. I'm really excited to see how it looks, but that's what we've been working on lately. Then we're moving to the bed frame. Then we're going to all the electrical that we ran. We're gonna connect it up to the solar box, put the flooring in. We've been waiting for the furniture to be done before we put the solar in. A few other things, I say a few, a lot of other things, and then be up and taking it on trips. So we are making progress. I'm super excited. It finally feels like more of a home, a mobile vacation home at this point. So stay tuned. I'll try to do more videos.